Hello friends, this is Nifty Analysis for the day 29th of April 2022. So over the past few days we have been saying that the price correction on the upside would have been complete, but not the time wise. So it is very evident with the past 3-4 days that we have been observing wild swings, and the prices have all has been all over the place. We have been witnessing gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down, and there's no clear pattern as such that is forming in terms of the market is concerned. So if you were to observe very closely this particular 7-8 candles, you can observe that the prices have been all over the place without any proper indication on the trend that has been given. So we have been telling this again and again that since this is a corrective action, price action towards the main trend on the downside, we will be expecting a more kind of volatility and uh, non-consensus price action. That is what exactly taking place. And this is the reason as to why we were asking you to stay away from the market and to ride on the downside, that is the main trend, with a very higher stop loss, that too for risky people. Now, if you were to observe the price action that has been developed over the past few days, one thing is very sure that we are very close to the end of this particular corrective action that is taking place. Either uh, today, Friday, 29th of April, or Monday could be the uh, next swing on the downside. So what you were to do is like whoever is holding the risky sell, you can continue to hold that particular position with the same stop loss at 17,800 now. The revised stop loss is 17,800. You can keep it there and continue to ride it with the 50% existing position. And for the safe traders, we are giving you an option like say suppose if I were to draw a trend line connecting these two lines. So probably we'll be getting somewhere close to 17,000. So either a break below 17,000 you can enter a short, or once you get price closer to that of today's high, that is 17,320 odd levels, you can enter a short and keep the same stop loss as 17,800 for the next week. So there are worst case possibilities that the next week too can be sideways action, and thereafter we will break down this particular channel and move down very fastly. So in case if there is any change, I'll inform you over the group what needs to be done. But as far as this is concerned, this price action completely seems to be like a corrective action is in place. This is with regards to the Nifty. Now let us pull the charts of the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, again we have been saying that it will be drilling down over and over again. So if you were to look at it, this is much clearer, wherein now the trend is firmly down after the gap down that has taken place. So we are looking out for whenever we are going to touch base this particular trend line, the smaller trend line that is in place, we will be taking a shot. For the current being, we have been saying that the stop loss works somewhere close to 37,200. You can maintain that particular stop loss at 37,200 itself for the time being, as long as we do not break below this particular low of 35,500. Once we break below 35,511, then we will revise this particular stop loss for the Bank Nifty is concerned. So we have a much longer room on the downside to come, unless and until these particular stop losses have not been taken out with regards to the Bank Nifty, as well as with regards to the Nifty, wherein the stop loss is very wide. Even then, once we break down this particular channel, which is considered to be the safe bet, once we break below this particular channel, it is considered to be the safe bet. Once we break below this particular structure, small structure that is in place, then we will revise the stop loss, right? So this is regarding to the Nifty and the Bank Nifty for this particular day. And we stay connected in the group. In case if something is there, we will let you know at the earliest. Thank you so much for watching this particular video.